Hey guys, in this video we'll be unboxing the LG UltraGear model 27GS75Q. This is a 27-inch monitor. The resolution is QHD 2560 by 1440 IPS. We got this on Data Blitz. And if you pay cash sa Data Blitz, there is a discount. We just prefer it, at least for monitor, just prefer it to buy it through physical store para lang we make sure that na maayos yung pagka-handle. We have manual and yung power adapter niya. We have DP to DP cord included also. Refresh rate is 180 Hz. This is the monitor itself. Let me take it off. We have the UltraGear na logo here. We have two HDMI ports. This is the adapter, then DP port. Tapos, I think these will be your mounting points. Pinaka buttons na will be underneath. This is no speaker, no? Basically, this is what it looks like with the stand on. Yung stand na to, because you can actually adjust the height. Wait a minute. If you think it's too high or too low, you can actually adjust it. You can also tilt it.